Hello trader, my name is Sabrina and you found the best YouTube channel. There you can see the easiest and the most profitable strategies on binary options trading. And of course today I'll show you one of my favorites. So if you want to know how you can earn in only 2 for free deals, just keep watching. So we are already on the broker's website. I have a pre-selected currency pairs, as you can see them on the top of the page. The starting balance for today is $200 from the time frame. The first trade will be 5 minutes. Also, we will work today with such indicators as zigzag and RSI. And let me first show their settings so that you can copy them if you want. And let's start with the zigzag. 5-12-3 is this one, and I have white on 2 pixels. Let's take a look at the RSI. I have a period of 14 and I didn't change the style. I use the default. Today we will open trade for the maximum possible amount. So let's begin. So I have chosen the first currency pair, and here I will suddenly open a trade on the price decrease, and here I observe a wonderful pullback after an updating of the local minimum. Now we have a price pullback, and now we have a local high. After the chart always goes down. I also want to know that the second RSI indicator, it has touched the our bot area, so the chart will go down obviously. As you can see, the constant pullbacks occur from this area and never went beyond the hour bot area in this case. That's why I open a down trade, and let's watch our trade already. There's still a lot of time before the close, and I have brought it closer to you, and we can see that the first candle after opening our trade will close in a few seconds, and you can see that it's really going down. And let's observe this candle. As soon as it closes, we can start to think about something. Its next one is now starting to go down again. It's all very good so far. Unfortunately, the second candle has gone up, but we don't get upset about it. We still have a lot of time and everything can change at any second. And this candle concerned the area when we open our deal, but it's growing up and down. That isn't defined. And the candle have closed in the upper position after it immediately begins to grow a red candle. It also reached our price range and pushes from it. And let's watch the closing of this candle. You may have just noticed that our local high has been updated, and whoa, after that the chart will definitely start to fall. It's a 100% probability, and our candle has broken through the opening range. It will close soon and we will have time for one more candle. If the next candle also goes down, then everything will be just fine. And as you can see, it really closed in plus for us, and the last candle has the biggest impact of closing our trade. It's still fluctuating, and our trade closed in plus, and profit is $170, and our balance is already $370. And let's move on to the second currency pair. Here we will open a deal to increase the price because we observe a good upward movement and we have updated the local minimum. Once again, I want to remind you that the zigzag indicator shows us update of local highs and lows. In our case, after the update of the local minimum, the trend will go up. So we opened a deal with you in the direction of the trend. On the second indicator, we see that the oversold area has been touched, which means that the chart will go up again. Of course, if you open a trade a little early, it would be much better. Well, as you can see, the chart didn't go up, and we still have a lot of time before the end of the trade. And the first candle closed in a very good position for us. And let's watch the second candle. And the second candle also went up. By the way, one of my traders wrote me and surprised me with his result. And let me post his result in my Telegram channel, and the link is in the description. And as you can see, just now the zigzag indicator updated the local maximum. This means that the uptrend continues, and unfortunately the candle has gone down, but it's nothing terrible, it's just a small error. And the third candle we have is growing actively upwards. We have less and less time until the end, and let's see what will happen next. And so it opened a new candle, and it's already a key candle. So far, this candle is in a very good position because it's slowly creeping down, but it still hopes that everything will close in our favor. The candle has rolled up very well, and let's see what we will get in the end. And still nothing prevented ours to do and close and plus, just a great deal. Although quite tense, profit was $314. Just can you imagine it? Now our balance is already $684.50. So I immediately increased the amount of the deal and reduced time frame. And let's come to the last currency pair for today. And now I'm going to open a trade on the upside because I'm seeing an uptrend after updating the local minimum. We have updated the local high not so long ago, and the trend went down very strongly. And after that, we have now updated the local low, respectively, so that the price will only go up. And this is what the second indicator shows us, that it's directed upward, which means that the price will go upwards, obviously. Just look how the chart rushed upwards immediately after we opened the deal. This candle won't even have time to close after our deal closes. And this is the most important candle for us right now. And we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 until the end of our trade, and our trade is closing in plus, and profit is $581, and now our balance is $1,266, and let's get that money out. First, we need to click on the dollar icon, then click on the word withdrawal. I will withdraw money in USDT. Then I enter my data and click continue. And as you can see, really withdrawal came. And this is where I say goodbye to you. And of course, if you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget about my Telegram channel, because there you can find signals and all the necessary information about binary options trading. And of course, I have my own trading society, so you won't be alone there. Thank you all for watching. Bye.